In this video, I will show you how to find your Cash App referral code and referral link. Now, Cash App has a referral program that allows you to share your personal invite link with new users. If someone signs up using your link and completes the required steps, you may be eligible to receive a referral bonus. So, to get started, open Cash App on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, from your home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, this will open your account settings, where you can access different options related to your profile and account. So, you have to scroll down through the options until you find Invite Friends. Now you have to click on this section, and Cash App will show your referral information, including your personal invite link. This link is unique to your account and is what you will share with other people who want to sign up using your referral link. Tap the share icon. Then, from here, you can choose different ways to send it, such as a text message, an email, social media, or any messaging app available on your device. Once someone receives your link, they can use it to create a new Cash App account. After they complete the required eligibility steps, such as signing up and completing any required transactions, Cash App will review the activity and determine if their referral reward applies. Just remember that referral bonuses are not always automatic and may have specific terms that need to be met. And that's how you can find your Cash App referral code and referral link. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.